Hey everyone, in this lecture you are going to learn how to repeat code. For loop basically will works with the conditions, like the statements. It will repeatedly execute till the code and till the condition is satisfies. So here for loop execution by running and applying of a simple built-in method called range method. So let's check the session by creating new file called repeat. So let's say here is a simple example. We'll see here. I'll go for a number called 10 for x or I, any variable you can take it. Most probably I usually will take in for loop statements, initiative or initial value for the purpose, or x I'm taking. So range is a method, built-in method in Python. So range, when we put open and end braces, it's a function or method. Range, it's a function, built-in function. So inside the range, what I am putting, the num variable, this variable I am putting here. Why I am putting here? I want to repeat the code again and again till 10 times for this print statement. This print statement I want to print 10 times. So let's see, I'm using for loop to repeating the same thing and how it will source. Run the program. Wow, I have seen 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So automatically I'm getting this range from the number. So here you will get, instead of a num variable also you can use the direct number, also you will get the result. Yes, have you seen? So easy and simple. The range is initiating from 0 onwards, it will start. So the range, if you want to get a specific range in between also, 10 comma something, like you can put like around 20, also you will get, this method will help. So it's initiating from 10, the starting value, and the ending value it is a 20 it is taking. Why? Because it's an index position is 0. So if you want to 20, as an output, you can put it as a 21. So from 0, from 10 to 20, you will get the output in between the range. Or else, all intervals you check it. It is always increasing by +1. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, these numbers. Instead of that, if you want to make it jump to one number skip and increasing always 2 by 2, let's run this by adding third variable here. And now see 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. This way we can repeat the code how we require in between the values, or any jumpings with using a multiplication, not only the 2 here, you can add any number. If it is you want to 3, you can test it yourself. All you code you need to test it. See the output, here you go. So this way you try to practice more and more for loop, you will get very easily understand. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.